Hey everybody, this is BJ from the Original Clearboard and Double X Tackle. I just want to give you a little assembly video. Appreciate the purchase. And in the box will be a right and a left, or a port and a starboard. And there's illustrations to get started on the back. Brian did a wonderful job with that. And you'll have two boards and then a little packet. The only tool that you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. It needs to be medium to a large. I think they call it a PH2. But you'll have two stems. They already had the screws in the washer. And Brian also has taken a little piece of paper with detailed instructions inside the bag. But what I like to do is go ahead and get the swivel on first. Of course, that'll blow away. And swivel in a split ring. You'll want to open that split ring and put it through the back hole. On both boards. This will be what keeps the what you hook onto the line from your fishing rod. All right, so we got both swivels attached. There's no left and right to the stem, so it's all the same. You take your fingers, screwdriver, and unloosen Phillips head screw. You've got two washers there. One goes on the screw side and the other one goes on the stem side. Come in from the back, as such. You've got a washer on the back and a washer on the front. And I like to hand tighten it. Now, you want the holes straight up and down so the release clip, the pads, are parallel to the top of the water. That's important. It won't work the other way. It will, but it won't work right. And then take your Phillips head screwdriver and tighten it pretty good. There is your left or your port. Same thing with the other board. Come in from the back. Rod holds straight up and down and tighten. The pads on these releases, you can slide them back and that'll gain you another pound of pressure on the release clip. Most species of fish you're going to do fine with it towards the front, and then you can adjust how far you put it in the pad. That also is a light tension or heavy tension by how you put the line in the pad. And I'll have other videos that'll take you further than that. Thanks for your purchase. Thanks for watching the video.